Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this tablet. And to get started, the first thing you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me, I'm going to use settings as an example. And from there, once you have it open, what you want to do is click power key and volume down. So simply just click it like this. There we go, we get this flash around the border. Then you get this pop-up. When you're doing this for the first time, this pop-up will stay here basically till you interact with the device, giving you a little bit of information on what's accessible here. So we have the share button, the edit, so we can crop or draw on it, and then we can also capture a scrollable screenshot. So when you click on the scrollable one, it's going to move down the page, and from there you can keep tapping on it more to keep scrolling down. So that is basically how you capture a screenshot and also change it into a scrollable one. You can also check if there is the palm one, but it looks like there is no palm gesture here, so this is the only way to capture it at the moment. Now once you capture your screenshot, you can find it in the gallery application. As you can see, it's right over here. There's our screenshot. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.